Hello and welcome to the Konar Cooks. Today we are making Moringa Drumsticks Soup. Made with fresh drumsticks and packed with the nutrient-rich goodness of moringa, this soup is a great way to nourish your body any time of the day. Moringa is known for its numerous health benefits, including high levels of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your immune system, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. And the best part, this soup is incredibly easy to make, and in just few simple steps, you'll have a delicious and nutritious meal that will leave you feeling energized and satisfied. Try something new and exciting for your next meal. Give this Moringa Drumstick Soup a try and enjoy the amazing health benefits it provides. Thank you for watching. You can find the full recipe in the description box. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks. See you in the next one.